The solution for this exercise, first part, we're going to multiply the number of units by the selling price. We know that as we copy it across, we want it to continue to look at the selling price. This is cell C8, so we can put a dollar sign in front of the C and the 8. When I copy it across, you'll see that it correctly uses the correct units and the selling price. Using our technique from earlier, we could have done two formulas, that multiplied by that. We go to the, in this case, this cell here, that multiplied by that. We look at the formulas, and if you look at them closely, you can see the E and the 11, the F and the 11. The 11 is similar, so we could put a dollar sign there if we wanted to. So let's do that. And when you look at this formula and this formula, you can see they're both C8. Both have got C's, both have got 8s. So we're going to put dollar sign on the C and the 8. And I can now copy and paste that, and we get our solution. In this example, for branch A, we know the calculation should be equals branch A's units multiplied by a selling price. If we want to capture branch B now, we know that it's branch B's units multiplied by that same selling price. And we know that we wanted to move across to capture these selling prices. If you look at the formulas, cell E11 over here, we are happy that as we copy it across, it will move across, and as we copy it down, it will move down. So we know the E is going to stay the same, the E11, equal times E8. At the moment, if we copy it over here, we want it to move to the new selling price. But if we copy it down, Excel will want to move it to the 9. We can't have that happen. So we know we need to put a dollar sign in front of the 8. I can copy that, paste it, and we have our solution. In this example, we want to create a formula that will multiply the sales by the cost of sales percentage. It needs to be a negative number because it's cost of sales, and we need to be able to copy it across. And as we copy across, it must continue to look at the cost of sales percentage. When we copy down, it must use the correct product. So in the first cell, I'm going to say equals product 1 sales multiplied by the cost of sales percentage. And then we're going to go 1 across and 1 down. Create a formula again. So we're going to multiply that multiplied by the cost of sales for number 2. I'm going to go to formulas and show my formulas. We can see that the first reference is cell C. Over here it's D, so they're not staying the same. There's an 11 and a 12 not staying the same. The second reference multiplied by B7. The B is common, which means that can have a dollar sign. The 7 and the 8 are different, so we're going to leave it like that. Let's switch back here. Copy. Paste that. What was the mistake we've made? We forgot to put the negative sign here. I'm going to put a negative sign in. Copy. Paste. And let's just check that this is doing what we expect. So you can see in each case it's referring to the correct sales, both product and period, and the correct cost of sales.